Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you'd like to stick around for a while, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on anything new. Today I'm going to be making some Dollar Tree Farmhouse Neutral Valentine's Decor DIYs, so let's get started. So for this first Valentine's DIY, I'm using these wooden letters that come from Dollar Tree. I got the 2 X's and 2 O's out of 2 packs of the wooden letters, and I am just going to cover each letter front and back with some of this reindeer moss that I got from Dollar Tree. And you could just use any type of moss you'd like. This is just what I had left over, and I'm just attaching it with some hot glue. The next thing I did was I took my scissors and I just trimmed the reindeer moss on each letter just to make the letter stand out more. Now I'm going to take 2 of these styrofoam blocks that come from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place the tin upside down on one of them and then just cut this around the styrofoam to cut out a circle. And then all I'm going to do is just cut that circle in half and place half into 2 tins, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the other block. Now I'm going to take my moss covered letters and I'm going to hot glue one to the top of each one of these wooden dowels from Dollar Tree. Next, I'm going to take my letters on a stick and I'm just going to add one to each container, just pushing the stick down into the styrofoam. Now I'm just going to add some of the moss to the top of the containers here with some hot glue. Lastly, I just took some twine and tied a simple bow to the top of each one of these dowels near the letter. And that was it. These were all done. I really love how these turned out. I think they are so cute. I think they would be perfect to display in like a little tiered tray. They're so versatile. You could change the letters out, you could make it spell home or love, and you can use it all throughout spring or even all year round. For this next Valentine's DIY, I used this love sign that came from Dollar Tree, and I'm just removing the twine hanger on the back. And then I am going to take my twine and I am just going to wrap each letter in the twine till the whole word is covered. I'm not gonna lie, this took a long time. Probably took about an hour. I sat back and watched TV while I was doing it. And if I could do it all over again, I probably wouldn't wrap every letter in twine, maybe just the O, and paint the L, V, and E, but in the end I do like how it turned out, so it wasn't that bad. Now what I'm doing here is just adding some hot glue to the bottom of the love sign, and then I'm going to glue it down to the floral foam that I got from Dollar Tree. And I just reinforced it with some hot glue on the back and the front of the sign, but you could add some like Jenga blocks on the back or the front if you didn't think it was sturdy enough. Now I'm just going to add these white roses all over the floral foam, all around the love sign, and I just got these white roses at Dollar Tree. You could add whatever color roses you would like. I just like the white to keep it neutral and farmhouse looking. Alright, this is how it looked after it was all done. I added a little lace bow at the top with just some of that lace ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I think it turned out really pretty. I think this could definitely be used all year round. You could use it at a wedding or a bridal shower also, so it's perfect for spring. So I really like how this one turned out. For my last Valentine's DIY, I am going to use this wooden heart that comes from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to cut off the hanger because I don't need it. And then I am going to take this gel stain and just stain the front of my heart. Then I'm going to take the ivory colored chalky paint and just lightly brush a coat of that on top of the gel stain. While I was waiting for the wooden heart to dry, I took this glittery heart from Dollar Tree and I am wrapping it in twine. This did not take anywhere near as long as the love sign did to wrap in twine. It did take a little bit of time, but I think it was well worth it in the end. Okay, now that my heart is wrapped in twine and my other heart is dry, I am just going to take my twine heart and place it on top of the wooden heart and hot glue it down to that. And this is going to kind of create a shadow box effect. Now I'm just going to take some Spanish moss, also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hot glue it inside of the heart at the bottom there. And then I have these two white doves that I got at Christmas time from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hot glue those to the heart and the moss. And if you can't find these doves, which I'm sure you can't anymore at Dollar Tree, they do sell little birds in the floral section that you could use instead. Then I wanted a base for my heart to sit on, so I took this glass candle holder I had lying around that was from Dollar Tree, and I had painted it a long time ago with just some white chalk paint. And I just added some glue inside the top there and just placed the bottom of the heart inside the candle holder and added some extra glue for reinforcement. Lastly, I just added this little twine bow to the top of the candle holder, and this is how it turned out. I think it turned out so cute. I love this. It's perfect for farmhouse and even for spring, and I love the two little lovebirds kissing in their nest, so it's perfect for Valentine's Day decor. Alright, this is how everything looks together. I think everything matches and flows really well together. I think this is perfect for some farmhouse decor for Valentine's Day. It's very neutral, and I love the fact that you could also use it for spring as well. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys decorate for Valentine's Day. I never have really, so this is kind of like my first decor that I've made for Valentine's Day, and I really love it. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.